Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make one pot Masoor Dal Tadka. This recipe is super simple and super easy to make. So now let's begin the recipe. For making Masoor Dal Tadka, I am using overnight soaked whole masoor. In a cooker, take adequate amount of oil. Once the oil gets warm, add asafoetida and cumin seeds into it. Next is adding ginger and garlic paste and cooking it for about a minute. Add Kashmiri dry chilies. Next is adding onions and cooking it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once onions become translucent, add tomatoes into it. Mix everything well. Next is adding spices. First add turmeric powder. Next is adding coriander and cumin powder, salt and Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything well. Allow the masala to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Last is adding Everest Kitchen King masala. Mix everything well. Now add overnight soaked masoor into it. Stir everything well and cook it for about 2 minutes. Add about 1 to 1.5 glass of water and pressure cook it for about 5 to 6 whistles on medium flame. And our tasty one pot Masoor Dal Tadka is all ready. Enjoy it with rice or roti. Do try the recipe and let me know in the comment section how it had turned out to be. I have also linked all of my recipes in the description box. Please do check them out. Also, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.